In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Notion. Notion's background color is controlled by its theme. Instead of picking a custom hex value, you choose between light, dark, or a setting that follows your device. This is great for eye comfort and consistency across apps, and it only takes a moment to switch. Start by opening Notion on your desktop or in the browser. Look to the very top left of the window. Click your profile area. This is the small circle with your avatar or initials. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see that profile control. Clicking it opens the menu where all your account controls live. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the main settings panel in a separate window or pane. You don't need to change anything else here. We're focusing on appearance. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Theme. Depending on your version, this might appear under Appearance or be visible right away, but the option you want is clearly called Theme. This is where the background color of the entire Notion interface is managed. If you prefer Notion to automatically match your computer's light or dark mode, click Use System Setting. With this enabled, Notion will switch to light when your device is in light mode and move to dark when your device is in dark mode. It's ideal if your operating system changes themes at sunset or on a schedule, and you want Notion to follow without any extra clicks. If you want a consistent look regardless of your device setting, click Dark. This forces Notion to stay in dark mode at all times, giving you a deeper background and lighter text that can be easier on the eyes, especially when working late. The change is immediate, so you'll see the interface update as soon as you select it. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Your theme choice affects your view of Notion on this device. It doesn't change how your pages appear to collaborators on their screens. Theme changes only adjust the interface and page background, not the colors you've applied to individual blocks or text. If you're after extra contrast within a page, you can use Notion's built-in block color options for headings, callouts, and text, while still keeping the overall background set by your theme. That's it. Click your profile, open Settings, go to Theme, choose Use System Setting. If you want it to follow your device, or pick Dark to lock in a darker background. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Notion workspace.